Hi everyone, welcome to the third project in our Excel Macros project course. Congrats on completing that last project. It was quite a difficult one, especially to all you who completed the challenge section. This new project, project 3, is called Prepping Unstructured Data for Data Analysis. And the basics of this project is that we have a huge set of data. It's in a format that isn't ready to be uploaded into a database. So we want to transfer that data into a format that we can upload easily to a database. So the scenario I have written out for this one is that you run a small computer services business. Up until now you've been recording all your customer transactions in Excel. But your business has grown to a point where you need to move to a better data storage system. This new system will be a relational database in Microsoft Access. You know from your previous experience with databases that a relational database will allow you to perform a ton of useful data analytics on your current data. But you're going to have to prep the data you have in Excel before you can transfer over to Access. Now you could take the time to manually enter each customer transaction into Access, but there are thousands of transactions and that would take you tens of hours. So you decide to use your skills in Excel macros to solve the problem in a fraction of the time. The information that we have been given for this project is we have all our data recorded in Excel and it's all in the exact same structured format. So we can rely that the format is the same for each transaction. And secondly, we know the design of the relational database. So we know which tables to create, we know how to create them. All we have to do is transfer the data to a format that fits into the relational database structure. Alright guys, I'll see you in the actual project. Feel free to start thinking about how you personally would approach this problem before you start the next video.